One of the great debate in 20th century. I want to talk about that. Yes. What is the debate? Right. So the debate is actually about what is the healthier choice between a palm oil and sunflower oil. So which actually we should choose. I am Muhammad Wafiuddin. As a chef in F&B industry, have been working. I really personally think that we should take palm oil, and I will talk about on how healthy palm oil is compared to the sunflower oil. Okay. Uh, when this debate actually going right? So back in 19 and 70 to 80, there is health awareness about cardiovascular. So people are start getting information about on how to reduce the fats in our daily life. So people will start concerned about the fats that we take in our daily life. So there is very continuous debate until now, until it's become very complex. That people still don't know what to choose between palm oil and sunflower oil. So today, I personally think that people need to buy the sunflower oil, buy and use the sunflower oil for the industry or even household. It is very suitable for industry and household because palm oil is a very good choice. Palm very good choice. It can withstand very high temperature without breaking into any dangerous things. And the smoke point of the palm oil is actually higher than the sunflower oil. So what is the smoke point? The smoke point is when the substance, but now we talk about oil. The oil, when they reach a certain temperature, the the oil, they will produce some smoke. Some smoke when they reach that temperature. So when they reach the temperature, then the substance will become different and might be dangerous to eat. So the smoke point for the palm oil is actually 232 Celsius, which means it's even higher than the boiling point, double than the boiling point of water. So it can really withstand very high temperature, very good for the industry and even household. So this is clear evidence that people need to buy the palm oil instead of the sunflower oil. Okay. Next is why palm oil? Why not sunflower oil? So some people might have some problems on they don't know what to choose between palm oil and sunflower oil. So today I'm gonna come up with a solution that I will show you on how can you become healthier with the choice you made because you choose the palm oil. So palm oil actually have a balance mix of fatty acids. What balanced mix of fatty acids such as omega-6 and omega-3. So before we go any further, I want to talk about omega-6. What is omega-6? Omega-6 is actually a fatty acids that we can get from the mainly we can get from the veggie plant oil. such as palm oil and sunflower oil. But in the palm oil case, we can get the palm oil case. Palm oil actually have higher omega-6 than than the sunflower oil. So what actually the benefits of the omega-6? Omega-6 actually can stabilize the cell membrane and its functions. It also can help children to grow in very particular. I mean not that particular. I mean they can help children in growth, in their growth. Yeah. To keep healthy growth, yes. And then the number three, the role of the omega-6 is they involve in immune system. Yeah, our immune system is very important. When we have cut in our hands for our injury exposed, right? Our blood is exposed, then that is how important it is to have a healthy and functional immune system. So the omega-6 is important to help the immune system. So the omega-3 on the other hand, omega-3 basically we can get mainly from the fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, like that. So the role of the omega-3 that is, firstly they can reduce the inflammation. Inflammation means you can reduce the risk of getting a disease. And then number two is for your brain health. Omega-3 can help keep your brain health in stable. So number three, that omega-6 actually contain DHA. What is the function of DHA, especially for adults? DHA is important for our eye health, actually, yes. And eye health, people might not look at it, but it is very important, yeah, to keep our eye healthy. So actually, palm oil basically have a mix of balanced omega-6 and omega-3. They have both, but maybe not mainly. Mainly they have omega-6, but palm oil have very balanced diet, very balanced omega-3 and omega-6. And then yeah, then it's clear that this solution of choosing palm oil can make your life healthy. And then palm oil can lower your cholesterol level. How can palm oil lower your cholesterol level? So the palm oil actually is cholesterol free, yes. Palm oil actually have monosaturated, polysaturated, and saturated fats. So, and it is actually cholesterol free. How is it? On the 2015, the clinical research that palm oil actually contained LDL, yeah, and can lower the number of LDL and have high number of HDL. What is LDL and what is HDL? LDL actually a bad cholesterol because it is low density lipoprotein, and HDL is very high density of lipoprotein. So LDL can actually make some mole on your arteries in your heart, like this, so you can get the heart attack, cardiovascular, if you not reduce the intake of the LDL. So palm oil have the higher number of HDL. HDL is very good cholesterol. They can reduce the HDL. So your arteries can function well. So the conclusion is we need to take action. We need to take action because 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 palm oil is basically very healthy than the sunflower oil. So now it's time. Thank you.